Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina for the period Monday through Sunday, the 6th through the 12th. My name is Gail Hartfield, Senior Forecaster here at the National Weather Service in Raleigh, and let's get started. Okay, starting off with the current conditions here, including a surface map on the left, kind of showing where our fronts are located. And as you can see, we've got a cold front off to our west. And this is going to be bringing in some cooler weather tomorrow, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now, we've got a lot of great sunshine. Had some fog this morning, and that is all burned off. And you can see there on the top right, our visible satellite image showing bright skies and very few clouds over central North Carolina. The bottom right there, you can see the satellite with the radar on top of it, so you can see there's some showers and storms there along and ahead of that front that's going to be coming in from the west. Until then, we've got a wonderful day ahead today. Temperatures are going to be quite warm. We've already got temperatures well into the 60s and touching 70 already late this morning, so we should continue to see these very warm temperatures through the day today. Our normal highs for this time of year are sitting at least 10 to 15 degrees lower than this, in the mid to upper 50s are our normals for this time of year. So yeah, we're looking at very warm temperatures today, and that cold front coming in will put a stop to that for tomorrow, but we'll move on to that in just a minute. Okay, here's the upcoming weather pattern. As you can see there in the top left, today's map showing that front that's going to be coming through tonight. It'll be mostly dry. We are going to see probably a few sprinkles with this, some light showers. That rain that you saw there in the bottom right there off to our west. You'd look at that and you think that we're gonna have a lot of rain tonight, but a lot of that is expected to dry up before it gets here. So it's going to be pretty low amounts. So nothing worth canceling plans over. This will be moving through probably after nightfall. We'll be sweeping through the area and bringing in some much colder temperatures. We're looking at a cool area of high pressure building in from the north starting late tonight and into tomorrow. And highs tomorrow are going to be around 15 to 20 degrees colder than what you see today. So below normal, and really a shock to the system after today's very nice temperatures. That front coming through is going to settle to our south tomorrow morning and stay there for the next couple of days. We'll have low pressure that will be traveling along this front, along with an upper level disturbance, and that will bring some rain chances to our area late Tuesday night, most predominantly Wednesday, though Wednesday will be our key damp day, especially areas to the south and east. Areas to the north and west probably aren't going to see too much in the way of rainfall, of some lighter amounts and a little less coverage. We're expecting the greatest coverage to be across that south and east sections closer to that low in that front. So we're expecting mostly dry weather then late in the week, Thursday, Friday, under high pressure. Continued cool. Temperatures should be a little bit below normal. We've got some upper 40s to mid 50s for highs expected both those days. Just on Thursday. Warming temperatures are going to be started Friday. We should see highs in the 60s coming in Friday as that high pressure area moves offshore and we start getting some return southerly flow to draw in some warmer temperatures starting Friday. And then very warm temperatures are expected Saturday with another front approaching, and that will bring what could be some widespread showers and perhaps a storm or two late Saturday night and into Sunday. Here's our precipitation forecast for the next several days. As you can see there along the first couple panels there, very light amounts expected through Tuesday into Tuesday night. Wednesday, we should see some higher amounts. Highest in the southeast, but this should still be under a ½ inch. So not expecting a whole heck of a lot in our area, a little more toward the coast and less off to the north and west. Very light amounts Thursday, Friday, may see some patchy showers as we start getting some warmer air moving in, especially Friday. And then as we get into the weekend, again, ahead of that front, we could see some pretty substantial rainfall as we get into Saturday night into Sunday. It's a little early and there's some timing differences among the models, but that looks like our next chance for some significant rainfall. Here's the severe weather outlook for the next few days. We are expecting a few storms, non-severe, in southwest North Carolina today as that front approaches over the next several hours. But as I mentioned, these are expected to fall apart as they head east of the mountains. So not expecting hardly any amounts and definitely no thunderstorms. And, a very, very southeast tip of the state could see a rumble of thunder on Wednesday as that low tracks along the front to our south. But by and large, in this area, we're expecting just some showers and some rain and no thunder. No excessive rainfall is expected across central North Carolina over the next 3 days. And here's the latest drought outlook. We continue to see drought conditions worsening over our area. As you can see there, the top left, last week's drought monitor compared to what the latest is that is just released last week. And you can see it's worsened, especially across the Charlotte area, the Virginia border, and in eastern and southern sections of the state where you're looking at severe drought. And you can see the top right there, that's our percent of normal precipitation over the last month. And we're looking at a lot of the area has seen less than a quarter of the normal precipitation during the course of this last month. So definitely dry conditions. We could use some rain. Wednesday doesn't look like some, but we should see some rain on Wednesday, but not a ton. Our better chance could arrive next weekend. So that actually would be some welcome rain for us if we get that. And here's the 8 to 14 day outlook. Not too promising on the drought front. We're looking at a really good shot at above normal temperatures for most of the country, all but the West Coast next week. So definitely not very December-like. Definitely some very good shot at some warm temperatures during that time. And the precipitation outlook also not very promising for good rainfall. Once this front goes through over next weekend, we could see another extended dry period, which is not good news for land management, for fire weather purposes, and just for our water supply. So a little bit of concern as far as that goes. And to sum everything up, again, mostly dry cold front will move through tonight. Might catch a quick sprinkle, but nothing significant. So that front will shift to our east and south and settle across our south by tomorrow morning. Cool high pressure building in, and it'll be a shock because we will see highs 15 to 20 degrees colder than we've got today. So cool weather through the middle part of the week, and that will continue through Wednesday and Thursday. Continued chilly. We do have that wave moving along the front, which will bring rain chances late Tuesday night and Wednesday, especially across the south and east. Dry weather Thursday, and then Friday we start to see that warming, and very warm temperatures are expected Saturday. We could see some easily in the 60s, if not 70s, and that approaching front is expected to bring some showers Saturday night into Sunday, and you can see the forecast there for our local area. A little bit of a roller coaster, warm today, then cool through midweek, and then warming again at the latter end of the week. So no significant hazards are expected for the next several days. We could see some higher fog chances as we get later in the week in the mornings, but nothing significant at this point. So that's it. Thank you very much, and hope everyone has a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time at our briefing, which is expected on Thursday. So everybody have a great week. Thanks.